Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an AE like watermark on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this green screen and just type in the watermark or your name or whatever you want. I'm just going to type in the word watermark. You can also change the font as well, and I'm just going to go to shadow and I'm just going to add that. And then you're just going to select these, export still frame. I'm just going to type mine watermark and press export and make sure you've imported it into your project. And then I'm going to choose like a video like this one. Go to local and add in that watermark. Stretch it and go to cutout, select chroma key, select color picker and select the green bit, adjust the strength and the shadow. Then you're just going to right click for a compound clip, select chroma key, select the white part, and then adjust the strength and the shadow as well. And that is basically it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.